How to use a different nickname on different Discord servers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Click on the server, right click on the server, then click on Server Settings. In Server Settings, on the left side, search for Roles, and then in Roles, click on Change Nickname. Make sure Change Nickname is turned on. This is only available if you are the admin. After that, go back to the server, click on the server's name at the top. Then you will find Edit per Server Profile. Click on it. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find Server Nickname. Change your server nickname. There are other options for a specific nickname as well, but this is only available if you have paid. After you have changed your nickname, press on Save Changes at the bottom. And your nickname will be changed, as you can see, only in this server. You can do same thing on your phone. Simply open Discord, click on the server name at the top. Then you will find these options. Edit per server profile, click on Edit per server profile. Then in here, server nickname, change your nickname. Press on Save at the top right corner of your screen. After you have saved, you're good to go. This is how to use a different nickname on different Discord servers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.